And this is St Annes on the Sea railway station. Next door to it we have a taxi office, a very busy taxi company, and we have another pub here called the Townhouse. As you can see, this train station is on the South Fylde line, which connects Preston to Blackpool South, and the trains that run out of this station are still old diesel trains. They go from Blackpool South to Preston, calling at Fairhaven and Lytham. And the station does have a little ticket office. You're very close to the town centre. So exiting the train station, you're right here in the town centre, and right next door there is Whiteside's taxis, which have been going since 1880. And this is the main street. It's called the Crescent. Straight from the train station and up some steps, and then down the Crescent and into St Annes Road. There's a little garden area here. It states Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee Gardens, established 1897. this part of the town is what is known as St Annes Square. And St Annes is one of two towns which is known by some people as Lytham St Annes, but they are two distinct towns, being about 3.5 to 4 miles apart. More of the square. This has just undergone quite a big refurbishment. Lots of new stones have been laid. A couple of little hut type cafes there. And the building here on the right is the council offices, or I suppose the town hall. And this is St Anne's United Reformed Church, and just next to it is Ashton Gardens, which I will be doing a drone flight over later. This is St George's Road, some old Victorian buildings and a block of flats here and an Aldi underneath it. And this is the entrance to Ashton Gardens. There are also bowling greens here, very, very popular bowling greens. And round here, this used to be a department stores called J.R. Taylor's. It's been undergoing refurbishment now for a few years. So this little park area next to the pier is called the Peace and Happiness Garden, and here stands the statue to Les Dawson, and over here there is some shelters with other posters up just telling you of other notable persons that lived in the area. Bobby Ball, there is the feature here also for Les Dawson, which has his statue. Amanda Barry of Coronation Street fame, and the musician Roy Harper. Jenny Eclair, the comedian, author and actress. Joseph Locke, singer, radio, films and TV star. And George Formby, who bought a house further up the road in Fairhaven. And Al Reid,